Hello, hello, yeah. I think we had an excellent short presentation. What we'll try to do is optimize the time. 1:15 is the cutoff. Till 1 o'clock, Saab will talk about a hygiene technology, which is a technology per se, how you can reduce steam consumption, etc. It's an energy perspective from the technology they will talk about. From 1 to 1:15, 3 to 5 minutes, I'll take personal time of what I've understood about these subjects and what applications we actually did in industry and where we could do. And 10 minutes we could spend for question answers so that there's value added to all of you because questions make the difference. It's not a one-way communication. We straight ahead, go ahead for the next topic. That's hygiene technology for efficient process intensification. I think Mr. Natarajan will go ahead with it. Yes. Yes. Thank you very much.
Yeah, but where is this? Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. A pretty rather inconvenient time for me to talk. Because, thank you. Because the next program also takes soon importance in the other room. So I'll try to be as brief as possible. What we are talking today is about improving a process intensification to achieve a very high efficiency in process intensification, by which what we may necessarily mean is separation of two items like from gas or gas from liquids. In this process, what we will start off is with a small video for about 6 or 7 minutes, a better talker than mine, a better voice to hear, more close to big B's. So I'll get into that. So please go ahead. I'll move around. Can all of you see? Yeah, so let's start.
Fresh air is vital for life on our planet to evolve and flourish. The air we breathe is our most valuable natural resource. But there is something in the environment that is creating an unhealthy world to live in. The presence of sulfur and carbon dioxide that is creating hazard, making the air around us harmful. Someone, somewhere, somehow was about to become a catalyst to contribute to improvise the processing methods and contribute to humanity as a larger cause, to bring a change that would create a better healthy environment around us. Treelock Corporation, an innovative company, after rigorous research and development, has developed a unit using high-G technology for absorption of various harmful gases which pollute the environment. The high-G technology is based on utilizing centrifugal force instead of the gravitational force. The centrifugal force develops a force which is 200 to 800 times more than the gravitational force. This centrifugal force is used for enhanced mass transfer between the liquid and gas. This concept of high-G is used to replace conventional column for distillation, deaeration, biogas upgradation, absorption, and desorption. The rotating packed bed, RPB, concept for mass transfer was initiated many years ago and later on developed with various innovations. Treelock Corporation, along with process intensification consultant, developed a unique design of rotary packed bed to achieve high efficiency. The mechanical design is developed by Treelock. Very compact design using the best quality of material suitable for this application. Every stage of the manufacturing process has been certified by the third-party inspection agency. Variables can be managed effectively. Results can be monitored instantaneously. Easy to maintain and relocate. Compatible for different process applications. a desire and vision to design and make units like these for various processes, like a complete sulfur and carbon dioxide recovery unit on skids, which can be easily installed at any location in shortest possible time, and which will give instant eco-friendly products and byproducts in the global process industry. High-G process. The solvent enters the high-G absorber unit through the nozzle located at the center of the rotating packed bed, having a very high surface area. Due to the centrifugal force, the solvent travels away from the center to the periphery, passing through the rotating packed bed. Simultaneously, the impure gas is introduced from the periphery of the RPB, which travels towards the center, due to differential pressure across the bed. Such interaction of gas and solvent enables the solvent to absorb impurities, like carbon dioxide or hydrogen sulfide from the gas. The clean gas is released from the center of the high-G, and rich solvent exits from the bottom of shell and is sent for regeneration to another high-G desorber unit. In the regeneration process, the rich solvent is heated and passed through the second high-G unit. Due to centrifugal force and high surface area of rotating packed bed, solvent moves away from the center. While passing through the rotating packed bed, solvent releases the polluting gases, which are pushed back towards center by a carrier gas, which is inert and which will not be absorbed by the solvent. The polluting gases like carbon dioxide or hydrogen sulfide are then released through the outlet nozzle of the unit, and lean solvent exits from bottom of the shell for absorption in the first high-G unit. High-G units were supplied to refinery in East Coast. West Coast refiners are ND unit. CO2 Solutions, Canada. Advantages: can be skid mounted and located either at source or user end, fully automated with HMI or SCADA. Compact size and can replace conventional tall column systems. Applications: carbon dioxide for dry ice, carbonated drinks, enhanced oil recovery from depleted oil wells, breweries, calcium carbonate for cement plants, hydrogen sulfide for conversion to sulfur, biogas produced from waste, then upgraded by high-G to CNG or power that is a waste to energy cycle. Deaeration for removal of oxygen for boiler feed water. Aeration for improving the anaerobic digestion in effluent treatment plant. Distillation for separation of two liquids. Our current innovations: high-G distillation unit, Pick-Tree Lock. We all can leave money and property to our children, which will be of no use unless we leave them a cleaner world, where they can enjoy the legacy left to them. It is a solemn responsibility to do so for posterity. High-G in its humble way contributes to a greener world. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, gentlemen, for patiently hearing to this. I trust most of you have got an idea of how this high-G works. Basically, high-G means high gravity. We create a very high gravity as against the one gravity, which is the conventional column method. We expect that to be there for the next couple of decades. And then back, I think we should be all high-G. Idea is, it is not only to make it a cleaner world and reduce the pollution, but the basic use, this is CO2, today has a wide application. Earlier speakers have been talking about EOR, enhanced oil recovery, and yesterday, as I heard, it creates to about 3% of the oil we use for producing the various distillates. Well, in the case of carbon dioxide, It has got much more. For cement plant is one of the biggest polluters. The CO2 which is got from there can be converted into calcium carbonate, which can again be used as a raw material for producing cement. It's got a multifarious uses. It can be completely used. So also with sulfur, conversion to sulfur. Of course, the requirement of sulfur may be more than what is produced. Then, of course, as you say, for biogas, today it's a waste to energy cycle. We are already talking to some people to convert municipal waste in big cities like Mumbai, Delhi, into power or CNG. So what we find exactly here is why this efficiency. Well, we were all talking about digitalization, and one of the criteria of digitalization is increase the efficiency of any process. So this, though not directly digitalization, does fulfill one of the criteria. Because whatever the existing method we have an efficiency, but this will be at least 20-25% more than that. And efficiency means better productivity, more money on the table, faster applications, faster use. So with that, I think we are closer to other programs. So we'll ask our CEO, Mr. Trilok Mehta, if you wish, you could come here, say a few words on IG. Please. If you have any of your questions, shall we start on the question?
3 minutes.
Yeah, I got finished.
You've done 2
Yeah, yeah.
Then we
Then we'll
can
talk.
just,
Okay
I just
then.
want to give a few tips.
Okay, gentlemen, ladies, thank you very much for being here patiently. If you have any question or answer, as Mr. Iyer says, please call.